buy something.
Can I talk to you for a second? My name is Shayla. Since you're an unaccompanied youth, I do need guardian consent for you to get in my vehicle. Well, we can just get your mom on the phone.
I don't really talk to my mom. Her social security stopped coming in, so her phone's dead.
If you're willing, another option is I can get a police officer to escort
Nah,
you.
it's okay. My friend should be here soon. I gotta go meet him.
In that piece, I think I try to highlight the importance of our queer stories as Kanaka, as Indigenous people. Those stories are really important because when somebody hears your story, right, there's a power in that helps to inspire people to overcome the challenges that they face. Whatever the issue is, I think it's really important for queer stories to percolate to the surface and to be told through these mainstream media so that, you know, our youth especially can have that connection to a story and feel like they can be themselves and be free in this one life that they have to live. So I think that's super important, to be free from the shackles of shame and oppression.
I cannot wait to actually bring people finally home